Welcome to the Savannah, located at Abberly at Southpoint in Fredericksburg, Virginia. If you're looking for space, then look no further. At 1,496 square feet, the home not only offers you 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, but also a den. Perfect for a guest bedroom, at-home office, yoga studio, flex it for how you live. The kitchen in the home offers sparkling granite countertops and plenty of dark mocha wood cabinets. Your kitchen also has a large window, letting in natural light, perfect for growing herbs in your kitchen. Connectivity is key. The kitchen's breakfast bar with seating for 4 opens into the living space and dining area. But wait, there's more. This space opens to your own personal outside space. Entertaining opportunities are endless. After a long day, you deserve to unwind in your owner's suite. This space offers a large garden tub, double sinks, and a large walk-in closet. And because we understand that life is complicated enough, this home includes a full-size washer and dryer. The Savannah is one of 13 floor plans offered in award-winning Abberly at Southpoint, an amenity-rich luxury apartment community in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Lease today at AbberlySouthpoint.com. Abberly Southpoint is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of our communities, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.